Ethan, you saved a lot of people today. You are so brave.
I just did what anyone would do.
Well, our team also got some videos of you saving people. Interesting. They're all women, and you hugged every single one without even knowing them. You didn't miss the chance, huh?
Safety hugs, standard procedure.
Claude's latest model, Fable 5, can create cinematic short films using Seedance 2.0, and the results are incredible. The best part? You don't need to write any prompts. Fable 5 handles everything for you. With Fable 5, you can create short films, web series, or anything your imagination can come up with. If you've been following AI news, you probably already know that Anthropic recently released its latest model, Claude Fable 5. Now, here's the interesting part. This model is so powerful that the US government temporarily restricted access to ensure it wasn't being misused and to evaluate potential national security risks. The good news is that it's now back online and available to the public, and people are already using it to create amazing content. Now, Higgsfield AI has introduced a new integration that lets you connect Higgsfield directly inside Claude and use Fable 5 to plan and create all kinds of content. So, even if you're a beginner, you can easily create viral videos with Fable 5. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is your all-in-one AI platform, and they've integrated Fable 5 inside Supercomputer, allowing you to use it directly in Claude through MCP. With Higgsfield, it doesn't just talk about media, it creates it. So, if you have a Claude subscription, you can use Fable 5 directly inside Claude. However, I recommend using it inside Supercomputer because you won't face any limitations, and you don't need to purchase multiple subscriptions. One platform can do everything. Simply click on Supercomputer, and it will take you to the model section. Here, you can see that Fable 5 is integrated alongside Sonnet 5 and many other models in one place. I'll select Fable 5. Then choose whether I want auto-run or step-by-step generation. I'll go with auto-run because it's the best option for beginners. With Fable 5, you can also build websites, AI apps, run marketing campaigns, create games, and much more. Higgsfield is also running an app contest where the winner will receive a big prize, so you should definitely participate. There are a lot of things you can do with Fable 5, but first, let's generate an explainer video. I'll click on explainer video, and it automatically adds the prompt. You can change the topic if you want, then simply click Run. It immediately starts analyzing your request. Next, it asks how long you want the video to be. You can generate videos up to 10 minutes long. For this demonstration, I'll select 1 minute. After that, choose whether you want a face-on camera or faceless video. Then select the video style. I'll choose 3D mix. Next, select the aspect ratio and enable subtitles if you want. Now it starts generating all the assets based on our instructions. Finally, choose the voiceover you want for your video. There are plenty of options available. After just a few seconds, it generates all the scenes and automatically merges them into a complete video. Simply download it and check out the results.
Every AI video you have seen started as pure static. A screen full of random noise with no picture in it at all. During training, the model watches millions of clips slowly drown in noise, and learns to run that destruction perfectly in reverse. Your words steer the cleanup. A language model turns your prompt into numbers that guide every step toward the scene you describe. Raw video is enormous, so the model shrinks every frame into a tiny compressed code, and sculpts inside that small space instead.
The explainer video looks great. And trust me, people are making tons of money by creating these kinds of videos. Now, you can do the same with just a few clicks. You don't need to write complicated prompts, just mention the topic you want, and Fable 5 will handle the rest. Now, let's generate a cinematic short film using my own face with Seedance 2.0. I'll open Supercomputer, enter a simple prompt describing what I want in my short film, and select the Fable 5 model for the best cinematic results. Now, I'll click Run, and it starts generating the prompts before converting them into videos. Within a few minutes, all the videos are generated. I recommend checking every scene. If any video looks off, simply tell Fable 5 what you want to change in the chat, just like a normal conversation. It will regenerate the prompt and create the video again using Seedance 2.0. Once all the scenes are complete, they'll be merged into the final video. Now, let's watch the final result.
Earthquake! Everybody get away from the buildings! Move!
Thank you so much.
Hey, you're safe now. I've got you.
You saved my life.
Anyone would have done it. You're safe now. Hey, I've got you, buddy. You're okay. Let's find your mom.
Okay.
Ethan, you saved a lot of people today. You are so brave.
I just did what anyone would do.
Well, our team also got some videos of you saving people. Interesting. They're all women, and you hugged every single one without even knowing them. You didn't miss the chance, huh?
Safety hugs. Standard procedure.
See the result. It looks like a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie, not something generated by AI. The cinematic quality, camera angles, lighting, and storytelling are incredibly realistic. Just imagine the kind of content you can create with this. You can produce cinematic short films, viral web series, movie trailers, commercials, music videos, and even high-quality YouTube content without a full production team. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert filmmaker or spend hours writing complex prompts. Simply describe your idea, let Fable 5 plan everything, and Seedance 2.0 brings those scenes to life with stunning visuals. This is one of the easiest ways to turn your imagination into professional quality videos in just a few minutes. So, I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out and try it for yourself. Also, don't forget about the Higgsfield app contest. If you are building something with Fable 5 or any of Higgsfield's AI tools, this is a great opportunity to participate and potentially win some amazing prizes. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.